When you have an account like this, you would think it's impossible to raise it, but watching this video as I raise these 18 cents to 1,998 using hedging method, and to be able to raise such an account as small as this, you really have to do sharp entry on every position you get.
No.
No? Oh, don't cry, are you?
So I'm going to start with volatility 51 second because I saw something there, quite a good opportunity to utilize. You would find out that some of the volatilities won't allow you to go in with such very small amounts, such as 9 cents, 10 cents, 11 cents. So if it does not allow you, just simply choose another volatility. But for instance, this one is very volatile. Volatility 51S is very volatile. I do not know, for some reason it accepted my order, because usually it doesn't, but I don't know, it just did this time and it worked to my advantage. Like I told you, some of these pairs won't, some of them will. I think that was due to the session I was trading, which allowed me to do that. So here I've made a very, very good sharp entry. I've seen this kind of trades before, and these trades will want to go to the trend line. They really like to go to the trend line, these types of trades. You see, I drew that horizontal trend line on H4 because I know that price, it will go down there. That is why I did the sharp entry there. It does not go with a pullback there. When it did the breakout, it does not come back with a pullback. No, it just keeps going. If it's pullback, then it will just react a few here and there, but it will go down. You can see that I've made quite the most sharp entry you can ever make. But then there's something which made me to stay in the trade. So if we look here, I've drawn a small trend line here. So the price really it will go down to that line. It always does. I've many trades I've entered where price always go down to that line and actually break it and keep going down. It may retest a little bit, but you will keep going down. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to close my order here to build the account so that I can enter again, but with bigger lots this time.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
So now that I have $11, it can allow me to put a few positions rather than one position which I had put before. Now I can put this. I hedged the account. I'm sure you know of hedging. I hedged it and it allowed me to put these many positions on such a small account. So then I will wait. Do take notice, if you try to do this, one wrong move and you are gone. Okay, so this is after a lot of minutes. You see, it hasn't touched the trend line yet, but it's going there. It's going there. Well, volatility 51 second.
We break barriers. We do everything to get rich. We do everything to stay rich, and do everything to stay richer.
Okay, enough with that. So here we are in volatility 51 second. It's very volatile. That is why it's easier to make a lot of money with very small accounts by hedging. Now we are in a new volatility, which is 151S on the 15 minutes time frame. So I've decided to sell here because I figured that I found such a perfect trade. Well, from 174, it's such easier to go from there. It's harder to go from 18 cents. You know, guys, it's very hard to raise very small accounts. So please don't bring them to me. I know some of you will do that. You will try to do that. Please don't bring me these small accounts. They are extremely hard. If you do, I'll charge you a very big percentage I'll take 80% and you take 20%. So here on volatility 152nd, I decided to sell here. I decided to put a sell. Why did I do that? Well, you can see I'm already making some profit. I can close now if I want to, but I want to go full margin. Okay, that was the purpose of this account. It's my friend's account actually. He always blows his account and asks me for help, but anyway, I'm happy to help. Here if you look closely, there's resistance here. Okay, and then if you look at the type of trend line, the pattern here, it's sort of like a rising wedge, something like that, but it's a fake out. Okay, it's not a breakout, which mean it will go up. No, it's a fake out. It means that to trick people when it breaks out and people think it's going to come down with a retest and then it goes up. No, it's a fake out. Okay, in order to see a fake out, when you see a breakout on a small time frame, you need to go to the higher time frame. You see here in 1 hour, the price is actually the candlestick is fighting to go back in the trend line, and that is what it will do. It will go back in the trend line. So that is what I'm trading. I'm trading a fake out here. Okay, I'm just making